Kargil is one of the two districts of Ladakh region bestowed with stunning landscapes and gigantic mountains. Kargil district offers a wide range of interesting explorations and also ignites a patriotic feeling. In this video, we intend to share some of our treasured explorations around Kargil town, Suru Valley and Dras. Kargil town is situated along the banks of Suru river, which is a tributary of Indus river. It is the second largest town of Ladakh with a rich cultural heritage, and maximum population here are Shia Muslims. Kargil War Memorial and Heritage Hut. Here I am not talking about the celebrated Kargil War Memorial in Dras. This war memorial is in Kargil city itself and is about 200 meters near the Gurudwara Charan Kamal Sahib, which is managed by Indian Army. This museum gives a comprehensive detailed series of events not only of the Kargil war alone but also about all the wars fought with Pakistan till date. If you are in Kargil city, this war memorial should not be missed. Point 13620 is a mountain top point above Kargil town. This point is the most prominent and dominating feature in Kargil, which overlooks the entire Kargil town and also the national highway connecting Srinagar and Leh, which are the lifeline of Ladakh. Due to its strategic location, it has always been in the eye of the enemy and has an interesting history, as it has been captured by Pakistan and recaptured by India during several Indo-Pak wars fought right from 1947 till date. This strategic defense and iconic point 13620 has now been opened for tourist visits by the Indian Army. Hundarman is a small village situated in the Indo-Pak border checkpost. This village is deserted now and was a part of Pakistan up to 1971 war, post which it became part of India. The Harka Bahadur Bridge in Kargil town is named after a Gorkha legend, Subedar Harka Bahadur Rana, who managed to save Kargil during independent India's first war with Pakistan in the year 1948. The bridge has been built by the Indian Army in remembrance of this unsung war hero. Apati village, situated about 19 kilometers from Kargil town, has an ancient Maitreya Buddha statue which must be from 7th century, carved on a mountain cliff, which is worth a visit. Suru Valley, situated in Kargil district of Ladakh, is a beautiful combination of huge rocky mountain ranges with dense green landscapes and the Suru river flowing all along the valley, which finally merges into the Indus river. The population here largely belong to the Darth community and are followers of Shia Islam. This mesmerizing valley, which is hugely unexplored, has some interesting places to visit. Sanku is the most significant town situated in Suru Valley. Surrounded by many villages, mesmerizing greenery and dense plantations. The viewpoint at the top of Sanku town offers scenic view of the entire town and mountain ranges. A small village close to Sanku town called Kharsekhar has an ancient 7-meter long rock carved statue of Maitreya Buddha, similar to the Buddha statue in Apati village, which has origins back in the 7th century. Rangdum Gompa is located in between Kargil and Padum towns. This 200-year-old monastery is situated in the most isolated part of Suru Valley. The monastery stands amidst stunning mountain ranges and huge valley, which makes it very attractive and eye-catching. The Kargil War Memorial, also known as Dras War Memorial, is built by the Indian Army in the town of Dras, honoring the martyrs of 1999 Kargil War between India and Pakistan. This memorial is most visited by tourists. Manman Viewpoint, located in Dras, is 12 kilometers uphill drive from the town. Manman Top offers a bird's eye view of the town of Dras and is surrounded by enchanting mountain ranges. Lastly, want to add that most people traveling to Ladakh only plan to visit Leh district and miss out on the untouched beauty that Kargil district has to offer. Other than the Kargil war fought in 1999, the district including Suru, Dras, Batalik sector and of course Kargil town also have rich cultural heritage and scenic views which deserve equal attention. If you find this video interesting and informative, then please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Travel Liberates Life for more such videos.